Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and 5G not working on your iPhone device. So keep watching this video until then because I have some tips about this problem. Guys, first of all, open setting application in your iPhone. Here guys, first of all, turn on airplane mode, and after 20 to 30 seconds turn back is off. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting, and must see the next solution. Simply tap on mobile data here, and you can see mobile data option. Tap on it, and low data mode must be turned off from here. You can see appears on screen, and close this window, and must be see the next solution. Open setting application appears on screen, and now scroll down and tap on general. Here guys, scroll down, simply tap on shutdown and slide this, and shut down your iPhone, and after few seconds turn back on. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Guys, tap on setting again, and scroll down, tap on general, and scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Guys, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your mobile will be solved by reset network setting of your iPhone. Enter the passcode and do the reset network setting of your iPhone. And guys, see the last solution is if software update is available. Now update your software, and now update of your iPhone. Simply tap on general and tap on software update. If software update is available, now update your software. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more update.